Mini controversy. 3 looks, 3 days. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button right now and the bell notification? Today, I'm going to do a 3-look challenge with a mini palette. This is the first time I've done one with a mini palette. I do a lot of 3 and 4 look challenges with Jeffree Star's big palettes, but this one, it has 9 pens, variety of different colors. It doesn't have a real nude per se, but it has, it's 2 pastels and a beautiful soft gold shimmer. So I'm wondering, using this palette, can I come up with 3 different wearable looks? Well, on with the test. I've done quite a few videos showing multiple looks from Jeffree Star palettes, but can I do that from a mini palette? Over the next few days, I'm going to be using the Mini Controversy palette. This was one created by Jeffree Star with Dawson, along with the Conspiracy palette. I'm going to come up with 3 completely different wearable looks from this palette. These are the colors. Today, I'm going to start with this basic nude called My Boyfriend's Purse. This is a really pretty, soft, shimmery nude. And now I'm going to take the liner brush and I'm going in with My Apology. This is almost sort of a burgundy wine color. And I'm just going to do this above the upper lash line. Now I'm going to take my concealer and with a small packing brush, just put a little touch of concealer right in the center of the eyelid. Just sort of like this. And then just sort of blend that in along the crease. And that's just sort of a way of cutting the crease and defining the eyelid. And now with the same brush, I'm going to take this green color called Put It Back. This is a really pretty Christmas tree green. And just going to take this on the outer corner and up into the crease. Again, like from the outer corner up into the crease. And let's do the other eye. And I'm going to take the liner brush again and just take this green and gently go underneath the lash line. And now just to blend it together, I'm going back in with the original one I started with, the My Boyfriend's Purse, which has a little shimmer to it, and just sort of go over and blend everything together with that. Okay, this is just a soft, pretty, sort of a neutral with a green edge to it, done from the Mini Controversy palette. Let me go put on my mascara, touch things up a little bit. I'll be right back. Mascara's done, lashes are curled, ready to go out and face my day. I really like this look, and there are a lot more you can do with this very simple 9-pen palette. I've got 2 more things, one for tomorrow and another for the day after. A lot of looks are packed into this small palette. Again, this is the Mini Controversy by Jeffree Star and Dawson. Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 2 of my Mini Controversy 3-day challenge. And today, I'm focusing primarily on these 2 colors, Exposed and Controversy. But what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to start with the crease defining, taking this concealer, a little dot on here, and putting a dot right here and right here. Then let that sort of define the crease and just sort of run this down on the sort of the center of my eyelid. I have a little bit of primer on, but no shadow at this point. Just sort of let this cover the eyelid. All right, now I'm taking my main fuller brush and I'm going to put the exposed. And gently take this from the inner corner to the center. And then spread it on. And the other eye, start at the inner corner and go out. Now I'm taking a slightly smaller brush and I'm going on with this Controversy and taking it along the outer corner and sort of blending it in. And the other eye. Now I'm going with my liner brush and again with the Controversy and just line the upper lash line. The lower lash line. And then a little along the crease. Now I'm going back in. I'm going to take a little bit of the shimmery goldish nude, my boyfriend's purse, and dust that in along on top of everything, kind of blending it together. This is sort of a sheer color, so it just sort of adds shimmer. That was just a very simple, easy, shimmery pink purple, but still kind of natural look from this mini Controversy palette. The cool thing about these mini palettes is they're great to travel with. And by doing this challenge, you can have several different looks from this little compact size palette. So let me put on my mascara and I'll be right back. My mascara's done, lashes are curled. This is my look for today. Just a nice soft look with a pink purple edge to it. And again, this was done from the mini Controversy palette, Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collaboration. I am liking this palette. Great one to travel with. Hello beautiful people, it's day 3 of the mini Controversy challenge. And today I'm going in with a lot of these bottom row colors. Flat Earth, Canceled, and the Simulation. I'm going to start by just taking this Flat Earth, which is a soft hint of sky blue, and go over my eyelids. Now I'm going to take my Ever Faithful concealer and just put a little dab on the center of each eyelid. Take my packing brush and just sort of smooth it down and cut the crease. Define my crease and just sort of smooth it down right in the center here. Now I'm going to take this liner brush and go in with this sort of shimmery, the Simulation, and put that right along the lash line. And then go up to the crease and just very light touch of this right in the crease. And just touch on the outer edge of the lower lash line. I'm taking my small brush and going in with Canceled and just hit the corners going in a little bit. Now I'm taking the packing brush again and I'm going back with my favorite gold neutral, my boyfriend's purse, and just sort of blending everything together by covering the outer edge from the center corner outward with this. And this sort of blends it all together and neutralizes the bright blues a little bit. There we go. It's a nice soft shimmery eye with just a touch of blue. Let me finish my mascara, curl my lashes a little, and I'll be right back. Mascara's done, lashes are curled. This is my look for the day. I've really enjoyed this palette. While it doesn't have as many nudes as some of the other palettes do, it has a lot of nice soft tones that you can use to come up with a really wearable, natural look. And it's small and versatile. This again was part of the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson collaboration from 2019. If you want to invest in a small palette that you can take with you everywhere and you like playing with color, I highly recommend this one. Do you have a favorite item, a favorite palette, a favorite brand that you'd like for me to try? If so, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.